Dear students, I am going to discuss Faraday's law of electrolysis. Michael Faraday enunciated two simple laws as a result of his large number of experiments on electrolysis. So Michael Faraday conducted large number of experiment, and on this experiment he postulated two laws. The first law is said that the mass of the substance liberated or deposited at the electrode as a result of electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolyte. That means if by passing q coulomb of charge w gram of the substance deposited at the electrode, then w is directly proportional to q. Why? Because he said that quantity of electricity is passed is q and w is the amount of substance deposited, and according to his law that mass of substance liberated or deposited at the electrode as a result of electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed. So q amount of electricity is passed, then w gram substance is deposited. So if we'll remove the proportionality constant, then a constant it is introduced, that is z. So w is equal to z into q. Here z is a constant called electrochemical equivalent. Q is equal to C into T, as we know. Here C is the current in ampere, T is equal to time in second. If C is equal to 1 ampere, T is equal to 1 second, then we will have W is equal to Z. Here we can define electrochemical equivalent. So electrochemical equivalent is the amount of substance deposited at electrode by passing 1 ampere of current through the electrolyte for 1 second. That means if 1 ampere current is supplied through the electrolyte for 1 second, then it is called electrochemical equivalent. Now we will discuss the Faraday's second law. Second law says that when the same quantity of electricity is passed through the different electrolytes for the same time connected in series, then the mass of different substance deposited at the electrodes are proportional to their equivalent mass. That means the current is supplied in two electrolytes. Here this one is 1 and it is 2. So suppose this container contains copper sulfate solution and this container contains silver nitrate solution, and same quantity of electricity is passed, then what will happen? If W1 and W2 are the masses of the metal deposited by passing the same quantity of electricity, and E1 and E2 are their respective equivalent masses, then W1 is equal to E1, or if we will remove the proportionality constant, then a constant is introduced, so W1 is equal to K1. Similarly, W2 is directly proportional to E2. What is E? It is equivalent mass. So W2 is equal to K into E2. So this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So we will divide equation 1 by equation 2. Here we will get W1 by W2 is equal to KE1 divided by KE2. So K is cancelled, then we will get W1 by W2 is equal to E1 by E2. So this is the conclusion of the second law of Michael Faraday's second law. Thank you.